If you push this button, you will get an insanely stupid and random punishment, which probably makes you wonder, why would you press it? Well, one random press won't be a punishment and will actually be $100,000. I grabbed all my friends, and what plays out in this video is hilarious.
You guys get the point. By pressing that, you could win this $100,000 here for your sister, or you could get punished. I don't care.
That?
Yeah. All right. Wear pants filled with mayonnaise. Before we make him put on mayonnaise pants, anyone else want to press it?
Can't get worse than that.
Break a 2x4 using only babies.
What?
We have Chris's pants here, and we have to mayonnaise it. Here we go.
It's gonna look like I took a dump.
Oh no!
Ew, I can feel things
All right,
dropping.
that's fine. Oh,
It's so cold.
All right, let's go bash some babies against 2x4s.
Oh, you disgust me.
Here's a 2x4,
Okay.
and here's a baby. I don't know how you're gonna do it, but you gotta break that in half.
Let's get to work.
Oh, and if you need an extra baby, here you go.
Okay,
Oh, and if you
good,
need
good.
another one, there's another one.
We're going two-handed. While he's busy bashing babies, I'm pressing the button. Gah! Let's go!
What that means is when you get a punishment you don't like, you get to press this button and skip it. But you can only press it once.
Oh, okay.
Nolan and Chandler, neither of you have pressed the button yet. One of you guys want to take a go? All right. Go home and flush your toilet.
My home's in Nebraska.
Just go to the hotel you're staying at.
Okay. Let's go.
Nolan is going to flush the toilet, Chris is showering from the mayonnaise, and Tags is still busting a 2x4 with babies. Who's pressing it next? What says this next one's a punishment?
Years of knowing you says.
Oh. Pick someone and pie them in the face! Yes! Chandler, that could have been you! Oh, hey! Look who just walked back. Did you read the TV?
Nah. All right, guys, I'm leaving.
I mean, it's a lot of money. This $100,000 could literally pay for my sister's entire college tuition.
They said I only had to use babies.
Oh, hey!
That baby stood no chance.
Did you actually break it in half? Yeah. Look what he's doing. I might not have rushed
Oh, what?
If I'm doing a challenge, I don't have to get pied in the face, right?
I mean, yeah, you don't. Watch this video of Chris farting for 20 minutes. All right, go watch Chris fart for 20 minutes.
Why do you have Chris farting
Carl,
for 20
for the love of God, you gotta pie someone.
You got the most thick pie.
Now I know if I'm ever pieing someone, don't buy pumpkin pie. It didn't do anything.
No, keep buying pumpkin pie. I'm very happy that happened.
This is a 20-minute montage of Chris farting. Enjoy, you gotta watch it all.
Red Bull gives you farts. Red Bull gives you farts.
He's just farting.
Red Bull gives you
Is this actually 20? Oh my gosh, it's 20 minutes.
Jimmy's gone. Maybe we'll have better luck if we press it.
No! Oh my God, wait, who pressed it?
I don't know. 4K.
Here's a fish.
100 times?
Hey.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Currently, Chris is beating himself with the fish. Chandler is watching you fart
Bull
for
gives
20
you
minutes.
farts.
And Nolan is going to flush his toilet. Carl, I think you should join the party. Sit in a corner for an hour. Ha! Now that you're sitting, see this counter above your head? It started.
Hey,
What?
69.
Nice.
Nice.
Bam.
Oh,
Let's get it.
do 100 push-ups.
Oh, I'm done with my punishment.
Sort this bowl of M&Ms by color.
18, 19, 20.
This might seem stupid, and you probably want to quit. Oh, all right, never mind then.
You think sitting in a corner is gonna stop me from doing more punishment?
You cannot push this button until you pee. So while you're sitting in this corner, Carl, here's some water.
I'm flushing this toilet for you, Natalie. Let's go.
My sister is worth all this pain.
60, oh my God, 68, 69.
You want to take a break sorting M&Ms and go watch Chandler watch you fart for 20 minutes?
Yeah, that sounds nice. Hey, buddy, how's my farts? You're gonna get to sleep tonight, and that's all you're gonna hear looping in your head is my fart. I'm sure your sister
Appreciates this.
get back to my M&Ms.
99. Oh my God, I'm so close. Mom, this is for you. 100, woo.
Congratulations on your 100 push-ups. Kick a field goal. We rented a football field. I'll text you the address. You gotta go kick a field goal.
All right, let's do this.
4 seconds. 3.
Red Bull gives you 4.
1.
Go.
A few moments later.
Chandler is back. Let's see it. Pick a contestant to skip the next 10 turns.
Me.
You're supposed to pick someone else.
One of the next 10 ones could be the winner.
I doubt it.
Chandler just expelled himself for 10 button presses. Nolan has literally been gone for an eternity. I'm gonna call him and see where he is. Nolan, where are you? You've been gone for like 3 hours.
I've been gone for like 20 minutes, bro. What are you talking about?
No, you haven't. It's literally been an hour and a half.
If I want to win this $100,000 from my sister, I gotta get back as soon as possible.
It's good I have my pee bucket, my pee blanket, my pee... pre-pee.
That took forever. Go give away $1,000 to 10 random strangers. I know you just got back, Nolan, but here's a briefcase with $10,000 in real money. Hey, sayonara. We are about 13 button presses in, and so far, so many crazy things have happened. Tags is currently kicking a field goal, Nolan is giving away money, Chris and Carl in corners, Chandler's playing video games. It's crazy. I can't wait to see who wins $100,000 for their sister.
I'm not leaving this corner until I pee.
Wait.
You want $1,000?
Yeah, I want it.
There you go.
And what?
Enjoy.
That's it.
Ah, thank you.
Three, camera, 3. I'm peeing.
Oh, Jimmy.
I take it you peed? Oh, it smells.
This one's the 100K.
This
is the
next
big
press
one.
is the
Right here.
$100,000.
I'm feeling it. Ready?
Beat Minecraft. Carl now has to beat Minecraft on a brand new world.
For a better chance at winning $100,000 for my sister right now.
Jimmy, I'm done. Oh, come on. Why is that gotta be mine? Come on.
Press it again.
You brought it back.
Let Carl draw whatever he wants on your face. I need a moisturizer and I need a marker.
And a Carl.
Before Carl draws on your face, moisturize your right arm. Oh, Carl.
Hey, bud, how you doing?
Oh, no. Carl gets to draw whatever he wants on your face. I'm gonna go check on tags. I'll be right back.
Since Jimmy isn't here, if I don't like it, I can just not do it. Oh, let's go! Woo,
Get a
I got
1 hour
it.
massage. Yeah, right here.
And they said they were punishments.
All right, this might seem like a good thing, but technically for the next hour, you can't press the button.
$100,000 massage? All right, sorry, Mom.
After 3 more presses, Chandler can start playing again.
I got you, buddy. 2 more.
2 more. FaceTime your 69th contact in your phone. Carl, buddy, how's it going?
It's good. I just got all the iron I'll need.
So how long till you win?
Realistically, an hour. I'm gonna be honest.
You still have 2 more presses until you can play again. Tags is getting a massage, Nolan is giving away money, Carl's beating Minecraft, and you're just chilling here. Time lapse.
All right, how many do you have left? 2. Make it 1.
Give a punishment.
Hey!
Dump a bucket of baked beans on your head.
I'm gonna go ahead and skip that one.
Stop. No. Just stop it.
No!
Chandler's going to get Arby's, but you have to pick someone to eat crickets.
You know what goes really good with a nice game of Minecraft? A little snack. Oh, Carl!
Oh, hey, man.
You got the gamer hungries?
Not really.
You want a gamer snacky?
I don't.
Didn't you throw a water bottle allegedly?
Allegedly, it didn't happen.
I'm curious, are you eating the crickets one at a time, or are you just 4 and done? He's 4 and done.
It's the texture. It's the texture. Oh, my God.
All right, let's move on.
We're at Arby's. This food is gross.
Can I get a kid's meal?
$4.27.
Thank you.
Bruh. Wear a princess helmet. For the duration of the video, you now have to wear a princess helmet.
Let's go.
Pick someone and send them to McDonald's wearing a Burger King costume.
Hey, Tags, you want to go to McDonald's?
Yeah!
Tags it is.
Just finished giving away the $10,000. We're going back to press the button again.
Pop this balloon with a marshmallow.
Wait, what?
There you go, you have a good one.
Thank you.
This is the driest chicken I've ever had in my life.
Here it is. I did it. So you beat Minecraft.
Yes.
Congrats. Let's go. Pick someone and stay handcuffed to them for the rest of the game. Ooh. Unlock the correct lock.
Have fun with that.
While you're thinking, I'm gonna go get locks for Chris. This is a wall of locks, and Chris, here is the key. Find which one it works for, and you can push the button again.
It looks like one of these, so I'm gonna try all of these first.
Here is a pair of real handcuffs. Once you handcuff them, they can't come off until the end of the challenge.
What if I have to pee?
Pee together. Jump in a swimming pool fully clothed. There's no swimming pool here. Oh. Go find one.
Not joking, we're getting close to the $100,000 press.
Could I please get 2 Whoppers?
We don't have Whopper.
First, we gotta find out. Okay, so it's probably one of those. All right, let's just speed run it.
Build this 6-year-old Minecraft Lego set.
No.
Have fun.
We were recording this video for a very long time, and there's a ton of punishments that I just can't show, or this video would be an hour long.
Oh, button!
Okay, wait, before you press it, what do you want to say to Chandler's sister right there? Because you might steal 100 grand from her.
I want to steal 100 grand from you.
Well, you didn't. Open this present. Here is a giant present I spent all morning wrapping. Open it up. No!
Ugh. I can't. I literally cannot, actually.
I love how the guys handcuffed have to do this, so it's even harder.
It hurts so bad.
What's this?
Carl is not allowed to push the button for 5 turns.
Oh!
Can I use my button on that?
Yeah, you could actually.
Oh, it's around you.
All right, he skipped that punishment. Start a fire and put it out with the fire extinguisher. Go have fun. I love how the box is attached to the... Yes! That was his. What did you get? Give Jimmy $4.20 in pennies.
That seems simple enough.
Go find it.
Hey, anybody got pennies? Chandler, you got some pennies? You have some pennies?
No.
You got pennies?
I got pennies, bro.
You got no pennies?
Fire?
Fire! Fire!
Ten! Woo! Nobody had pennies, so we're having to go to the gas station to get some.
Give it a press. Maybe you wait. Do you think this is it?
You
wanna? Just kidding. You guys got one of the hardest ones. You have to paint this entire sidewall right here.
Come with me.
Oh my gosh, it's kind of working.
The pee!
Oh,
the pee!
it got all over me!
You're gonna sit out the next 2
feel it.
presses?
Yeah.
Chris, that's the 50th press. Build a gingerbread house.
Yes!
Is there any way I could get change in pennies for this? Don't have enough? All right.
Ladder, please!
Someone come hit the button.
Here's a gingerbread house. Here's some icing, here's some duct tape. You have to put it together.
All right. So somebody back at the studio apparently had pennies. I didn't ask enough people, I guess.
Word on the street is Tags literally fell asleep. His 15 minutes ended 10 minutes ago, but he's still laying in bed. Oh! Hey, your 15 minutes is up.
Where's the pennies? I stuffed in your pee!
Yeah! Stop worrying about pee, Ethan.
We're at 51, how many can there be?
Jump rope for 10 minutes. Why do you get all the physical ones?
All right, I'm gonna hit it,
Do it, do it, do it.
So you are gonna press it? All right, what is it? Solve a difficult math problem.
We got this,
Okay. Here is a math problem, Chandler. When you solve it, you get to press the button again.
I got the pennies.
Did you go to a bank?
No.
All right, so $1, $2, $3, $3.50. This is only $3.65.
Where did the other ones go?
It said $4.20. This is actually the answer to the math equation. That actually looks good. The wall is complete. I'm actually surprised. I thought they were just gonna quit. We are on press number 53.
You were here first.
Who's pressing it?
He was here first.
Who's
He
pressing
won.
it?
Oh no.
It's a feeling.
It's between you and me again.
Here's the last one.
Oh, here you go. Okay. Oh wait. Choose who pushes the button next. Carl, you gotta pick.
I was gonna hit it next.
Okay,
right.
I'll choose.
Yeah. So, well, yeah, I mean, you can pick.
I pick myself.
Oh, you're so disgusting, right? Hug you.
We can hug each other.
Let's go.
The winner had to give 100 grand to their sister.
And you're my sister. Hey, you have 2 brothers. Which one's your favorite now?
Carl.
All right, thanks for watching. Goodbye. And there you have it. Carl's sister just won $100,000. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to hit 50 million subscribers, and it would mean the world.